Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Vidy for those who are new, and in today's video we are in my car. So you guys are wondering, why are we in my car right now as today? I have a car vacuum cleaner, and then I decided to go ahead and test it out with you guys on this product that just came in from Amazon. As you can see, and it looks really nice. It's like it's a vacuum cleaner. It has nice connection. It connects already to the car, so you don't have to worry about getting a plug into your house. Notice that it also helps. It has a cleaner filter in there for this item. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up right now. So this little tube thing. It comes with a little piece, a certain style of suction piece. A menu. Another style of suction piece. And it comes in the original vacuum. Look how nice it looks, you guys. I like how it has a nice grip right here. And the color looks nice. As you can see, the connection is very long. And it's the connection to the car, as you can see here. And then there's a light right here for you guys to use, so you can use at night. And then to take it off, the filter. I'm going to show you guys what kind of filter it is. It is this kind of filter. It's washable, as it shows in here. So put that away. There we go. Go ahead and connect it back. And it includes a bag. You can go ahead and store this in your back of your car, which I'm going to be doing that with the new car I'll be getting. And I'm pretty sure it'll be an upcoming video for you guys after this video. But this is what it'll be in your storage bag. So I'll put all these other things. So you're having this box. I'm gonna keep the menu just in case, so I'll put that in here. Suction has at least two pieces of them, and this guy. So we're gonna go ahead and test them out, because I have not cleaned this car, and this car is not mine, and this car is an old car, and I just want to go ahead and deep clean this car since I'm not gonna be using this car no more, because these kids, these kids left a lot of things behind in this car, and then got pretty messy, so I'm gonna be scrubbing, but for now I'm gonna vacuum and test this out. Gonna connect this in, take it apart. So I already disconnected it, and then I can just put it over in the back of the car, because that's where the messy one is at, and we're gonna go ahead and go over there. Alright, so now that we're in the back of the car, as you can see, this is where my youngest seat was. He's the one that eats a lot, so I chose him. So you can see how messy it is. Like, look at that, there's so much mess here. I'll show you guys the whole couch so you guys get the idea. The floor. It snows a lot here, it rains a lot. Right now it's that kind of season, so it's a perfect time to go ahead and test it out. This, I'm gonna need to be scrubbing a lot, so I'm gonna get that too. Let's go ahead and test that out though.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. Forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. You're the only.
At least gets the work done. Now I need to just scrubby dub dub. That's the end of the video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up so people could see this kind of video. And this actually is really great. I really enjoyed it. It gets the job done. It's not like the super high tech. I mean, it's just what the bit price, you know, like it wasn't so pricey, you know, it wasn't so cheap. It was just right, and it at least got the work done for a very messy car. It looks clean. All I need to do is just scrub those seats, and then it should be nice and brand new. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.